How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Sick Eric Tech. Today we're going to be taking a look at a nifty little multi-tool, and this is it right here. What is it? Alright, so this is a little multi-tool. You have a brush on one side. You also have a little foam applicator on the other side. And then you have a little pick on this side with a little brush right there, as you could see. What is it? Well, this nifty little tool is a earphone cleaner, or AirPods, whatever the hell you want to call them, and also for other earbuds as well. So you could pick this up off of Amazon. I believe it was less than $10. Came with a pack of 2. And you get one black and red one and one white and red one. So very, very cool when cleaning your AirPods or any other Bluetooth earbuds. So pretty much you're going to use the pick to get inside and clear out any dirt from your earpods or your AirPods, and then you use the little brush to really get down in there and clean stuff out. So very, very cool, nice tool, very inexpensive to keep your AirPods or your earbuds nice and clean. So very simple. You use the pick to pick out any earwax or anything you might have in there, and then the brush to brush things out. And then you use this little foam, I guess it's a microfiber, to get inside and clean your AirPods. So right there, to get in there and to wipe everything out. So very, very nifty, very handy to keep your earbuds nice and clean. So very nice. And to clean keyboards and stuff, you would use this cool little brush, and you could also use it on cell phones, you know, to like clean out your earpiece up here, to get all your dirt and debris out. You could clear out your little USB port and everything else, mainly for keyboards and stuff, to clean out your keyboard and to keep everything clean. And then when you're done, you just slide it down very, very nicely. So it works pretty well when cleaning a whole bunch of different types of earbuds. So if we bring out the little pick again, you could go inside and clear out any stuff. So very, very nice. And then you use the brush to get deep down in there and to clean out all the little crevices and stuff to keep your earbuds nice and clean. So it works actually pretty well. And then you slide it on in. Use this applicator to get deep down in there and to clean out the reservoir where your earbuds rest. And you could probably add some alcohol to this if you want to really get deep down in there and clean. And of course your brush. So very nice. This is how the black one looks. Pop things out, and then you got your little pick and your brush, and then you also have your other brush right here to clean stuff out. So it comes in a pack of 2. I believe it was like $8 or $9 off of Amazon. Very inexpensive and very cool to have if you want to clean your earbuds, your AirPods, or any other type of earbuds that you got, and it will keep everything nice and clean, and you'll be able to get all of that little earwax out of the little crevices on all of your buds and keep your keyboard clean and your smartphone clean. So very, very nice, cheap, inexpensive tool that you can get off of Amazon. I will post links in the description down below, and it is called by a company called Lyposs Multi Cleaning Pen. And here's some stuff on the back if you want to check it out. Pack of 2, very, very nice. You can see the brushes for the keyboards, and then everything else is for your AirPods. And they come in 3 different colors. The pack I got came in the black and in the white. So very nice, inexpensive tool, and very cool and nifty to have to keep your AirPods nice and clean. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. This quick little fun video of what is it. and subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.